Hey, welcome to the Financial UA General Service Office. My name is Jay from Baltimore, and it's going to be my pleasure today to talk to our newcomers in Financial UA. And I'm going to give you 3 gentle suggestions about what you can do to get started with working the Financial UA program so that you can move towards a place of building your recovery and expanding your prosperity. When you're brand new to Financial UA, we offer you a couple of basic, simple suggestions. 3 suggestions to be specific. The first suggestion that we offer to newcomers in Financial UA is come to 6 meetings before you make a decision. We strongly encourage that you do your due diligence. Check out the meetings. Check out our Financial UA workshops. Get the experience. See what a healthy environment we create. As a fellowship, Financial UA is excellent at creating and holding space for healing and recovery to help our members to connect with a higher power, and then to help our members to channel that higher power in the form of earning power. When you come to 6 meetings and check it out for yourself, you can see how we do what we do and how we support our members with doing what they need to do. Our second suggestion in Financial UA is to take a guided tour of our Financial UA website with an experienced member in the program. Our website is outstanding. We offer so many resources, so many things in our website, so many different ways to assist you and support you with the recovery process. But if you don't know where to look on the website, you might miss out. So we encourage you to take a guided tour of the website with an experienced member in the program so they can show you how to navigate our website and show you everything that we have to help support your recovery. Our third suggestion in Financial UA is to get the phone numbers of 5 to 10 members who are well established in the program, preferably qualified sponsors, preferably people who are meeting moderators or workshop facilitators, essentially people who are trusted servants within the Financial UA program. People who are willing to do service in the program have made a commitment to take ownership of their own recovery process, and it means a lot more to them because they're actively putting themselves into the recovery process. I would encourage you to consider reaching out to 5 to 10 of those types of people in the Financial UA program and interview them, asking them to share their experience, strength, and hope about what the program has done for them and what does their recovery look like and what does their prosperity look like. Has there been a progression or a positive evolution of their wealth, their prosperity, their earning, their income, their savings? Have all those things gotten better as a result of working the Financial UA program? You can ask that question to any member of Financial UA during your interview, as well as any other questions that you would like to ask. And after you've taken those 3 gentle suggestions, coming to 6 meetings, taking a guided tour of the website, and interviewing 5 to 10 members of Financial UA, you will have accumulated enough experience to make a decision for yourself in your own way, in your own time, on your own terms, whether or not you want to become a member of Financial UA. And the best part is, there are no dues or fees for membership in Financial UA. This program is completely free to anybody who wants to make use of it. And we encourage you to come on and join us in our recovery process, because recovery is a team sport. And our established members can only recover further and prosper further when we can offer that recovery and prosperity to our newer members and help the new members get started, to get established, to get a job, and to recover in a prosperous financial way. Now's the time for sharing. Who'd like to take a share? In the comments section below, please share your experience, strength, and hope around what it was like to take the 3 gentle suggestions for getting started in the Financial UA program. What was that like for you? Which suggestion do you recommend the most? Or perhaps, do you have any suggestions of your own that you would encourage other newcomers to consider? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, because in recovery, everybody's a student and everybody's a teacher. So share your thoughts and ideas, and you might be able to help the next person who comes into the program. I would also encourage you to consider giving us a big thumbs up for service, and also do consider subscribing to the Financial UA channel. When you subscribe to our channel, you help us to carry the message of recovery. Additionally, if you have any questions about how to get started with the Financial UA recovery process, leave your questions in the comments section below. You can also make suggestions about future videos if there's a particular topic that you would like to see us make a video about. I'd like to invite you to consider saying the prosperity prayer with me to get positive spiritual closure on our video for today. God, grant us a serenity to accept the things we cannot change, the courage to change the things we can, the wisdom to know the difference, and the prosperity to afford it. Awesome. Hey, thanks so much for sharing space with me. Remember, in Financial UA, we create and hold space for healing and recovery, and also for prosperity. So keep coming back, and I will too. Have a great rest of your day.
God grant us the serenity to accept the things we cannot change, courage to change the things we can, wisdom to know the difference, and the prosperity